What's going on with y'all boys, man? Hey man, so today it's cold, bro, as y'all can see. I don't know how I just raised up to 40, but that shit just said like 20 something. Even my car is cold. But hey man, it's cold today, man. It took my car probably like 30-40 minutes to warm up. That's what it feel like. But shit, but nah, for real, probably took like 10-15. That's how cold it is out here. But yeah, I just pulled the camera out today. It's for morning right quick. I'm finna head to the city, pick up some. So I'm just picking up the camera, vlogging a little bit. Let y'all boys get a little POV today. We close to what, 1,000 subs, 1,000 subscribers. So man, y'all boy like, share, comment, subscribe right now. Share the video, share to your partner, your grandma, your auntie, your little raggedy cousin. Yeah, y'all boys share the video, and we're gonna get to that 1,000 subs, man, for real. See, we ain't doing nothing too much today. I'm trying to keep it a little PG-13 today, so not even PG-13, but PG. So I ain't trying to do too much, cuz. Let me know how y'all boys been in the comment section, man. That last video I put out, it was a little wild one, but hey. Y'all boy like, share, come subscribe on that one too. It was kind of a little wild, you did what I'm saying? But nah. I gotta make sure I'm going the right way too. Come on, Subaru. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I wanna get a, I don't know if y'all can see that in the back. I wanna get a Grand Cherokee, man, for real. All-wheel drive and just put twin turbos on the V8. It only had to be no 6.4, no 6.2. I get a 5.7 and put some twin turbos on there. I mean, that thing would be, hey, cause you got all-wheel drive, all the wheels just spinning, so all the horsepower going to all the wheels, and boy, you keeping up with Hellcats and Scats, man. Even with a 5.7, with a 5.7 with the twin turbo too, boy, you is beating anything that, line up with you. Not anything, but you know what I'm saying. Any muscle car, you beating that. You got all-wheel drive and twin turbo. A lot of y'all don't know that twin turbo better than supercharged, so. And twin turbos, they used on like BMWs. That's how BMW so fast. They got that twin turbo, man. And they don't even have no V8 engines. They got inline engines. So they'll have an inline 6. And people think they like V8s, like on them, like a BMW M4. They'll think those BMW like V8s, but they really like an inline 6. They only have 6 cylinders. But BMW made the exhaust sound. They make the exhaust sound authentic. I mean, not authentic, but they make it fake. So they made the exhaust sound fake, and they think it's a V8, but it's really like a fake engine, well, fake noise coming from the exhaust. And that bitch got twin turbo, and it's faster than any V8. Like, you line it up with a Hellcat, man. The info is beating that, man. I ain't gonna lie, cause 1 is lighter, 2, it got the inline engine with the V8. Inline engine with a twin turbo. All right, my fault, y'all boys. I was so rudely interrupted. Somebody called me. If you line a BMW up against a Hellcat or something like that, I ain't gonna lie. And I'm sorry to say this, but I got the BMW any and every time, bro. Cause for the facts I just said, they lighter and they got that twin turbo. And bro, come on now. Them some German cars. Them Germans, they know what they doing. But yeah, man, enough of talk about cars, man. What y'all got going on, man? I'm finna start my new company next week. I gotta drive all the way to a location, probably like 5 hours away from me. And I'm gonna start with them, and then yeah, I'm gonna get this trucking rolling, man. I'm gonna bring the POV vlogs out of me trucking. So let me know if y'all want that. I'm gonna make the channel in a little bit. I just want to have it right though. I just want to know if y'all really gonna watch that channel. I mean, it don't even like, cause y'all here to see this scat. Y'all probably don't even care about the other trucking channel. So I just be want to get the channel right, have the banner right. It did have the profile picture, everything right before I even started off. So that's why I ain't make it yet, for real. So soon as I get all that, I'm gonna make the channel. Then put the GoPro on my head, be vlog. If y'all wanna watch it, Y'all know I'm gonna link it down in the bio on all these videos right here too. So I've been thinking about I ain't gonna lie, y'all, boy. I ain't really been having the motivation on this channel for real. So I'm just trying to, get back motivated, get back, making videos on this channel. I've been feeling like, unmotivated, and I don't know. But right now, I mean, that all don't matter, because I got y'all video right here, man. You see, man, you got the sit folks screaming, man. The sit folks say he want to get put on the video. That's their plan. But yeah, man, we got the bumblebee. We ain't giving up on the bumblebee, man. Sit folks stuff. I ain't gonna cuss. Sit folks stuff, man. As y'all can see, we got some traffic right here, and it's getting hot. I'm turning the heat off. But yeah, man, that BMW in the back is trim. Every time I pass by the Chick-fil-A, they always like, they always busy, bro. Like, I don't know what it is. Chick-fil-A not that good. Y'all be fiending. Y'all boys be fiending, man. Just bring y'all a quick little vlog today, man. So yeah, and come on, bro, go. This man, just go. He's so scared. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna be driving flatbeds. Y'all can see like that one over there. Like, but bro, he don't have no headrest. I think they what they call it, the little thing they go on the trailer for the flatbed. It's something like that. For your bulkhead on a flathead. So on a flatbed. So he don't have one of those, but you gotta make sure you have one of those driving the flatbed, right? I ain't gonna even lie. Cause all that equipment can come up and squish you. Like if you're going if you're going fast and then you gotta make an immediate stop, man, that stuff can be like final destination, man. That's why you gotta have that stuff. Look at Brett trying to cut up in a Toyota truck. No sir. We got the range over here, man. Do people ever still like drive ranges like that, or even light ranges? I ain't been seeing like a lot of them for real. I don't think I've been sitting in the city for real. I've been seeing them with Kia trucks a lot. I ain't gonna lie. Let me know how y'all like them Kia trucks. I mean, a lot of people be liking them Kia trucks and cars. They really done came up for real. I'd say Kia probably like the next. Kia probably only come up to be like the next. I don't want to say BMW, but Audi, Lexus. And some of y'all in the comment section probably kill me somehow. Man, Kia ain't shit. They just affordable car. Bruh, they cars looking right. Like after they did their little logo change, they shit been looking right now. I ain't gonna even lie. I like the Camrys too. Like if I went into sports cars and all that, or supercars, I mean, muscle cars or sports cars, I get the Camry, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Camry, you get that white with that black trimming on there. I'm telling you, about them things hard. I ain't gonna lie. And get past shit, my boy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna let y'all just listen to the engine right quick, man. Hold on. Had to turn that sport mode on one time. Just so y'all can really hear it though. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to do too much right now, though. let y'all know that sick folks still get wicked, man. Come on, dog. Well, hop in front of me and go so slow. And stumping on the brakes, like, damn. Yo, I want some insurance money, nigga. Alright, since we in traffic, I'm gonna just turn the sport off. Let y'all boys know how it was. Let y'all boys know how I sound for real. You know what I'm saying? But nah, man. We ain't doing too much today. As y'all can tell, man, when I pull the camera out, man, I just be getting hyped sometime, man. I just be getting hyped talking to y'all boys sometimes. I just, you know, can't even get the words out for real. But yeah, man. You know, I just like doing it for real. I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes it be getting unmotivated, but it be getting a little unmotivating when your videos don't do too much, like too good. But then like when that video like hit for like, you know, for me right now, if a video hit like 1,000 or 2,000 views or something like that, that's a good video for me. I be like, damn, man, I can't wait to put out another video. But when the video hit like, you know, 200, 300 views, I be like, man, what the hell? But nah, man. Y'all know I got y'all boys, man. Oh, definitely. I ain't gonna quit on this channel. I've been doing this channel since like, well, hold on, it's been like what? I say about 2 years. I mean, not 2 years, but a year and a half. Have it. Let me think. So I started in like last November. Oh, nah. So it's been like, okay. So this channel been up for like a year and a couple months. So, and then, I mean, I'm almost at 1,000 subs. So, I mean, people don't even reach 1,000 subs on their channel, you know, on the first year like that. You know, it took them like some for real time. Like, it take them probably like a couple years or something. And I'm down there at 1,000 in like a year. Like, that's crazy. That's good though. I ain't gonna lie. So, you know, I can't quit on this channel, man. So you already know I ain't finna quit on this channel. Boy, hey, stay subscribed, stay sub, like the video, so we can get, you know, get bigger, and then I can keep pushing these videos out. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, y'all boys, I'm almost at my destination. Shit, I'm probably like 5 minutes away. So let me go ahead and look at this GPS. I can't get the words out today, but I don't know what's going on. So man, hey, y'all boy, like, share, comment, subscribe on this video, man. Let's go ahead and get to that 1K before Christmas. Let's do it, man. And I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next video. Let's do it.